Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to tighten the emergency brake handle on a Scion XB. So what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to remove this center console piece. It's super easy to remove, no bolts, no screws, easy peasy. All you got to do is get a good grip and pull right up on it. Next, you're going to need a couple of 10mm wrenches. Now on this adjustment there are two 10mm nuts, and one is a retaining nut and then one is your tightening nut, which is going to tighten it, or which is going to put more tension on the cable the more you tighten it. So go ahead and get the top nut off first. You're just going to have that out of the way so it doesn't impede you. And then once you get that off, you're going to want to take your, I would suggest a ratcheting wrench, and tighten it down until the cable feels pretty tight. My general rule of thumb with these emergency brake handles is about 6 or 7 good clicks. Any more than that, you're going to want to tighten it up a bit more. I mean, you know your car better than anyone, so you judge it. You can always test it right away, tighten it, pull forward, test it, see if it holds. You can also check the tension of the actual cable to see if it's loose or tight. But anyways, go ahead and tighten this sucker up nice and good, and then test it and see if it holds to your spec. See, I'm doing here, I'm just testing it to feel. Roughly 6 or 7 clicks is what I go with. And then you take your top nut and you tighten it down so that way the bottom nut doesn't move. That top one holds it in place. And then all you really got to do is pop that center piece back on. Just take it and pop it like that, and she's good. And then just test it one more time and you're all set. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one. Peace.